Samsung shakes up Pakistan's mobile market with trade-in offer. Samsung's revolutionary mobile exchange offer in Pakistan, also known as the Samsung Trade-in Program, presents an incredible opportunity to swap your old smartphone for a brand new Galaxy A series mobile. It's now available at selected Samsung trade-in shops across the nation, and finding these shops is just a click away. So how do you get a new Samsung phone? Here's the deal. First, locate your nearest trade-in shop using the Samsung trade-in page. Second, head to the selected trade-in shop and get your old smartphone evaluated for its market price. Then receive a voucher based on the assessment, which can be used as a discount towards a new Galaxy A series device from Samsung's online store or authorized retail partners. Here are the Galaxy models that are accepted for trade-ins: Samsung Galaxy A54, A34, A24, A14, A04, and A04s. Do you have any further queries? You can contact Samsung at 0800 726 7864 or message them on WhatsApp at 0332 7267 864. The trade-in program is exclusively available at selected Samsung trade-in shops. All smartphone brands are eligible, excluding feature phones. This enticing offer spans across designated Samsung trade-in shops nationwide. Are you ready to explore if your phone qualifies? Head to your nearest trade-in shop to have your old phone evaluated and grab this incredible exchange opportunity.